Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Revolut Batch Payments, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you master this efficient payment method. Revolut is a popular digital banking platform that offers a range of financial services, including batch payments, which allow you to make multiple payments at once. To get started, you need to have a Revolut business account and access to the Revolut dashboard. From there, navigate to the Payments section and select Batch Payments. This feature enables you to upload a file containing multiple payment instructions, which are then processed simultaneously. The first step is to prepare your payment file, which should be in a CSV format. The file should include the payment amount, recipient name, and recipient account details. You can use a spreadsheet software like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel to create and edit your payment file. Once your payment file is ready, upload it to the Revolut dashboard and review the payment instructions. You can add or remove payments and edit the payment details as needed. It is essential to double-check the payment information to avoid any errors or discrepancies. After reviewing the payment instructions, confirm the batch payment and authorize the transaction. Revolut will then process the payments and deduct the funds from your account. You can track the status of your batch payments in the Revolut dashboard, where you can view the payment history and any related transactions. To ensure efficient and secure batch payments, follow best practices such as verifying the recipient account details, using a secure connection, and keeping your payment files organized. It is also crucial to comply with anti-money laundering regulations and know your customer requirements. In conclusion, Revolut batch payments offer a convenient and efficient way to make multiple payments at once. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can master this payment method and streamline your financial operations. Remember to always review and verify your payment instructions, and follow best practices to ensure secure and compliant transactions. With Revolut batch payments, you can save time and reduce errors, making it an essential tool for businesses and individuals alike.